Okay, Buddha. Now how you can get the score? So from here, go to variables. Look here. Go to variables. Go to variables. Click on others are there. Still no, right? Wait.
Sir, can't I show my one?
Yeah, we'll do, Buddha. We'll do. ඉස්සල මේ ස්කෝර් එක දාගෙන ඉමුද ඉවන්. ස්කෝර් එක දාමු.
Sir,
I make the score block now.
What, Buddha? Click on this variables. Click on this
I already
variables.
take my score box.
Is this? Yeah, Buddha.
sir, how to take score into that
Yes.
like an arrow?
Yeah, click on make variable. Click on make variable. Type here score. Type here score. Type here score.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
I can't type in there.
Why is that? When you click on that
Sir,
from the mouse,
Can I share the screen to show the way?
yeah, later. Okay. Otherwise, the time will be matter. No? The variable.
Okay.
Click on make variable and type. Click here. Click here and type the score. Type score. Type score. And select OK. And select OK. And select OK. Right? Then from here, set my variable to 0. Click on this, set my variable to 0. Click on that. Click on that. Click on that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Buddha, tell me.
Set my variable කියනවා නේද? ඊට පස්සේ මොකද කරන්නේ? Set my variable එකෙන් පස්සේ
What, Buddha?
අර set my variable එක තියෙනවා නේද අර 20 කියලා.
Oh, මෙතනින් click කරලා එතනින් ගන්න score කියන එක. Score equals 0 කියන එක ගන්න.
සර් මගේ එක එහෙම නෑනේ.
ඇයි අපි score කියලා එකක් හැදුවා නේද ඔයා? මේ variables කියලා තියෙන පුතා මෙන්න මෙතන. පේනවද මගේ mouse cursor එක තියෙන දැන variables කියලා එකක්.
ඔව් සර් එන්නේ ඒකේ තමයි මං එන්නේ. ඒකේ blocks මොකුත් නැහැ නිකන් score විතරයි තියෙන්නේ.
නෑ මේ set කියලා එකක් නැද්ද? ඔයා මොන එකටද click කරුවේ? click කරුවේ මේ variable කියන එකටද my blocks කියන එකටද? variables කියන එකට click කරන්න.
සර් මේ click කරන්න ඉතින් ඒක නැහැ සර්.
my variables කියලා එකක් නැද්ද?
මේක new variable name කියලා තමයි දැන් එන්නේ.
මේක variable name ද?
ඒකේ තියෙන්නේ new variable name කියලා.
හරි මොන හරි එකක්. හරිද?
ඔව්.
මේක variable name කියන එකට click කරපුවම මේ වගේ එකක් එනවා. මෙතන score එක type කරන්න පුතා. score
Sir,
කියලා type
can you
කරන්න.
send to the Scratch program because my Scratch program, my computer was locked and the Scratch program went. Sir, can you send the photo of this so can I do it again?
Yes, okay, Buddha. I'll do that. Right now, this set score to 0. Take it here. When flag click, we'll take it to 0. Now you can see when I click on the flag, it is right like this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
I have no name for my score, but I have a name for my variable.
No, Buddha. When you click on this one, set my variable here, then you have to click on this arrow. This is we are calling as drop down box. When you click on that, you have to select score. You have to select score.
answer may
There is no score.
Have you
You have to-
make a variable? You have click on make a variable. Puta, answer me. Have you click on make a variable?
Yes, sir, but I can't type in that make a variable.
No, you have to type. Then that means you have not like here, just stop it. Now this one flag has clicked. No, stop it. Stop the program.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Dihen.
Sir. Sir, I can't make both programs again because my computer shut down. Sir, can I make my program only?
Yes,
I mean-
yes, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, sir, I got that.
Right. Now, score is okay.
Yes, sir.
Score is okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now make it, set it to 0. Set it to 0. Set it to 0.
සර් ෆිෂ් කෙනෙක්ගේ මොකක් හරි සර්
Yes,
මේ
sir.
බ්ලොක්ස් ටික මාරු කරාද සර් මට දැක්කේ නැහැ සර්.
නෑ පුතා. මේ තියෙන්නේ fish के block එක.
සර් සර් ඒක මං කරේ නැහැ.
ඔව්. තාම අපි කරන්නේ shark එකනේ පුතා. නේද?
ඔව් සර්. ඔව් සර්.
right. shark එක මේ 0 කෙරුවද දැන් මෙතන? හරිද? variable එක.
ඔව් සර් කරලා තියෙනවා.
හරි. දැන් අපි fish ළඟට ගිහිල්ලා fish එක කරලා දැන් මෙන්න මේ ටික ගන්න. if block එක ගන්න. if touching shark change the score to by 1. Go to controls, take if condition, go to sensing, take touching mouse pointer, the first one, sensing first one, touching mouse pointer, take it and put it to this group, the block. Okay, touching mouse pointer, click on that, click here and select shark 2. Yes, shark 2, whatever the shark you are having, the name is there, the sprite name is there on down on the bottom of the image. You can see the name of the shark. If it is shark 2, then touching shark 2, then what will happen? Then you have to go to variable.
Sir, again, we want to do that.
No, if you have done, it's okay.
Okay.
This part I am doing. Huh? Yes, Puta Shenuki, tell me.
When I click the arrow, I don't have shark too. I have fish.
Now here on the sprite area, can you see the shark, fish and
Yes,
fish?
sir.
You are having the shark and the fish.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now what you have to do, I think you are in shark 1. Go to fish, Puta.
Yes, sir.
Go to fish.
Okay, sir.
Go to fish and do this one. Go to fish and do this one.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta.
My fishes are not hiding and changing the score.
Is that?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
that.
Yeah, my own.
But
Check this one. මෙන්න මේ කෝඩ් එක බලන්න my own. මෙන්න මේ කෝඩ් එක බලන්න my own. මේ කෝඩ් එක හරියට තිබුණොත් එහෙම එයා වටේටම යනවා.
sir, my own name is
No. My own has sent a message.
okay.
Okay. Now you all take the variable.
Excuse me, sir. Can you wait a minute?
Yeah, change my variable from here. Score by 1.
Sir,
Yes, Puta.
sir, මේ මගේ කලින් මාළන්ගේවා ඒවා ඒගොල්ලන්ට එක්කම delete වුණා. දැන් හදන එකත් එක්ක විතරක් කරන්න බැරිද?
දැන් හදන එකත් එක්ක කරන්න අමාරුයි පුතා. can you take a screenshot of this one? Make a screenshot එකක් හරි photo එකක් හරි ගහ ගන්න පුතා.
Okay.
මගේ ස්කෝර් එක හිතන්නේ
හරි හරි හරි. දැන් ඒක තමයි හදන්නේ මේ. If touching shark 2 change the score by 1, then you have to go to looks. You have to go to looks and you have to hide. You have to hide the fish.
IDD.
Yes.
Sir,
Now-
I didn't say shark 2. Sir, can you send it to the recording to the WhatsApp group, sir?
Excuse me,
sir.
Yes.
Can you wait a minute? I'm still making the codes.
Okay, Buddha.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
My score is not working now. So what do I need to do?
my score I have set the score. Do I have to do the same one that the sir have done?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Michelle, your one is working, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this one you have to put inside this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
How do you get that change score by 1?
It is on the variables. It is on the variables. Click on the variables.
117
Where?
in the score point. I ate all fish.
Ah, right. Good. Very good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
So my one is working. Initially, I didn't put that the new one to
Ah.
that when I start
My score is 29.
clone that one.
Okay, okay. Clone එකට දුන්නේ නැද්ද? Okay, now what you can do, you can give this one and put it to this nether.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
The game is playing, but the score is not working.
Yeah, can you see this one? Have you done this part? මේ part එක කෙරුවාද දැන් අපි කරන එක? මේක කෙරුවාද?
පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න sir. අර score අර මේක කරේ.
Hide එක දාලා මෙයා කරාම sir මාළු යන්නේ නැහනේ. Fish isn't going.
So it's there. Why is that?
Sir, shall I show you, sir?
Yeah.
My one.
Yes. Wait, I'll stop sharing. Okay. Right.
Sir, my one. There are
Yeah,
no fish.
right. Show me, Buddha.
I got 100 points.
When the- Okay.
Okay. I get the points.
Yes, points here. Right. Buddha, show your code.
Next time, me.
Yes. Just click on the fish. Share the screen, Buddha, again.
If it is correct, can we leave?
Yes, you can leave, Buddha. If you have finished, you can leave. This
Okay,
is
so
Lucas
let's-
1. Okay.
This is my one.
Yeah. Okay.
So, are you free after this class, sir?
Sir, can I
No,
share
Buddha.
my screen to see you if my one is correct, sir?
Yes.
Can you give me permission to record share the screen?
No, after finishing Luca. Yeah, Luca.
Okay, sir.
Luca, you have to
God bless
give
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
on the shark one. Shark score is 0. Okay, God bless you, Buddha.
God bless
Excuse
you,
me,
sir.
sir.
Yes, if you have finished, you can leave. If you have finished, you can leave.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Shall I show you my one?
Yeah, Evan, wait. Right, others, remember, now you have to
Sir,
show
is
this.
my one correct? I'm Anwas. Is my one correct?
No, Buddha, you haven't put this if condition, no? If condition, එක කොහෙද දාලා තියෙන්නේ? I have started this one. Here you
Sir, are
have
you
put-
free after this class, sir?
what, Buddha?
God bless you, sir.
God bless you.
Are you free after
නෑ නෑ
this
වැරදි
class?
තැන දාන්නේ අනුහස් වැරදි තැන දාන්නේ.
Excuse
Sir, where should I put it, sir?
me, sir.
Yes, Buddha, wait.
Sir, can you tell me how to do it? But I stop share. Can you tell me how to do it, sir?
Yes, I'll tell you.
Bless you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I show my one?
Yes, share it, Buddha.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can you put the recording to the group, sir?
Okay, I'll do that.
Next time, Michelle.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, my
Excuse me,
score
sir.
is
Can
not
you see my?
No, still no, Puda, Shenuki. Now you can see. Yes. Click on that.
Sir,
Yes, Puda.
can you tell me how to put it right?
Yes, yes.
I
Yeah, Anuhas.
I
Wait.
have gone wrong, sir.
Yeah, okay. We'll check that one. Huh? Yeah, Shenuki. That's slow, a little bit slow, right? Yes, Abdullah. Click on the flag. Abdullah මං වගේ දෙකක් දාලා නේද? ඇයි දෙන්නෙක්ව දැන් එක්කෙනෙක්ව delete කරලා දාන්න. එක
Excuse me,
sprite
sir.
එකක් delete කරලා දාන්න Abdullah.
Excuse me, sir. Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta. Oh, yes, Shevon, tell me.
Sir, how to speed that shark?
How to?
Speed.
Sir, can you
Yeah,
tell me
time,
how
time.
to put the right way?
Yes,
My
Puta,
one
I'll
is
tell you.
wrong, sir.
Yeah. Abdullah.
Can you share the screen, sir? How to put it wrong?
Yeah,
Correct?
wait, Puta. I'll check others once and I'll let you know. Huh? Yeah, Ivan.
Sir, my score is not working. Shall I show you, sir?
Yes, that's one. Yeah, we have to discuss. With Anuhas, we'll discuss, na?
Okay, sir.
Wait 1 minute. Okay. Right. Click on the flag. Yeah, it's working now.
Sir, not my one. That's Joel's.
Ah, okay. Joel.
Sir,
Okay.
can you tell me how to do like Joel's one?
Yes, Puta. We are going to discuss. Huh? After checking others ones, we'll discuss that.
Sir, can you
Michelle,
send
can
the
I
recording?
Yeah,
Sir,
Michelle.
can you send it because I didn't do it because my laptop died.
Okay, so you have a phone. Just take a photo of these codes.
Okay. But sir, I'm joining in the phone now.
Ah, is that? Then take a screenshot.
Excuse me, sir. How
Yes.
to, sir? How to take a
Yeah, wait. I'm checking the Michelle's one. Michelle Karakan on either. But it's okay, right? Michelle, just show your code. Show your code. You know what to do.
ස්කෝ එක පෙන්වන්න ඒක වැඩ කරන්න නැහැ කියලා පෙන්වන්න.
Oh, ඒක තමයි ඒක පෙන්නන්න යන්නේ. Michelle, can you share it again? No, Evan, wait. Michelle, can you share it? Yeah, Michelle. Now click on this this one. Click on the here. Click here. Right. Now can you all see to the shark? Main shark. Shark ගේ තැන මෙන්න මේක කෙරුවද? Set score to 0. කට්ටියෙන් බලන්න. Set score to 0 කෙරුවද?
Set.
Ivan, just check. Ivan,
Click.
set score to 0.
When I clicked.
දැන් ඔක ලස්සනට හදන්න ඕනේ. Right. Then Michelle, can you click on the fish? Fish එකට click කරන්න. Click on the fish, right. Then බලන්න ඔයගලන්ගේ පුතා මෙන්න මේ code එක දීලා yes, oh wait. Yeah. මෙන්න මේ code එක දුන්නාද කියලා බලන්න. Very good, Michelle, you have followed the instructions. Good. Anuhas, did you check this one?
Yes, sir.
Ivan, did you check this code?
I went also there. Hey,
This is okay?
On edge. Wow.
Okay, Oneli.
Wait a minute.
Oneli, I'll check. I'll send. Now get ready for another exam, MCQ. ඔක්කොමලම හොඳට කරලා තිබුණා. But next exam will be right within this week. I am giving another exam, MCQ. පාඩම් කරන්න ඕනේ. මේවා කෙරුවා වගේ නෙමෙයි පාඩම් කරන්නත් ඕනේ. Now next day
Excuse
you
me,
can.
sir.
Yes. Yes, Puta, tell me.
How do we save the Scratch program to the desktop?
Yes, Puta. Here, Michelle, can you show us? Click on this file. From here, Puta, you have to select save to your computer. Save to your computer. So they are asking a location where you want to save. So here we are having data E, and you can give a name here. Just give a name here and select save. And select save.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Puta.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta.
So I have done like that. What do I need to do next?
Then run
My
and check.
figures are not going.
Run and check whether your program is working properly.
සර්
Michelle?
මගේ ස්ක්‍රැච් එක සේව් කරන්න බෑ කියනවා. සේව් කරේ.
ERM operation not permitted MKDR. ආ කම්පියුටර් එකේ E එකට සේව් කරන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියනවා පුතා. වෙන තැනකට සේව් කරන්න.
Excuse me, sir.
Just close, cancel this one. Cancel this one. Yeah. Puta, tell me, Anuhas.
Sir, my fishes are going now, sir.
Yes.
My fishes aren't going now.
Why is that? Have you check?
Sir.
Okay. Right. Michelle, now just
Can you tell from the beginning, sir? My fishes aren't going now, sir.
now if it is not going, can you check with this one? Can you check this block? මේ block එක මොනවද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා can you check?
The when flag clicked.
Everything. This is related to the fish, no? Fish to relate වෙච්ච මොන හරි දෙයක් වෙලා නැතුව තමයි fish යන්නේ නැත්තේ. Right, Michelle? Michelle, can
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yes. Now, can you share screen and cancel करना बुधा? Can you cancel that share screen? Okay, Anuhas, show me. Show you are.
Sir, I have mistakenly erased my one. The first one. Can you share the screen, sir?
Yeah,
To
share the
look
screen.
again.
Yeah, share
No,
the
no,
screen.
sir.
My screen.
Yes, sir. To look and make it again this
Right.
one.
Okay, Buddha. Okay, wait. Then we'll take the other ones. Okay. Others, you have any doubts? I'm going to move to the next section. Aurelia, I will
Yes, sir.
send the recording.
Sir, can
Can you send the photos?
Yeah, I'll send
Sir,
it.
can you-
I'll send it.
Sir, the photos of the fish blocks and the background blocks and the sharks block, can you send like that, sir?
Yes, okay, Buddha.
So I can do it.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Yes.
very much, sir.
Okay. You all can leave, Buddha.
Thank you and God bless you, sir.
God bless you, Buddha.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Kinuli,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
God bless you. God bless you. Kinuli,
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
yes, sir.
God bless you, Buddha. God bless you.
Still I want to make that block, sir. The first one.
Ah,
it
okay.
has still a-
I'll send it to the group. Huh? I'll send all the codes to the group.
Okay, sir.
Kinuli, click on this fish.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, God bless you. Right. Now, Kinuli, remember when you move your mouse pointer, when you move the mouse pointer, it will come behind your mouse pointer. Change the size of the shark. Right, like that. Slowly move. Right. Change it to 80. Right. Now move the, yeah. Right. Make it bigger, Buddha. Make it bigger. Click on this one. Click on this corner. Right. Move the mouse. Mouse point එක move කරන්න ඕනේ. ඔයා mouse point එක ඇතුලේ move කරුවොත් තමයි එයා පස්සෙන් එන්නේ. එයාගේ ඇඟ උඩ තියන්න එපා. අන්න හරි. ඔයා කොහෙද කියන්නේ එයා එතනට එනවා. එක තැන තිබ්බොත් ඉවරයි. නෑ. කෝණයක ඉන්න එපා. පුළුවන් තරම් මැදට එන්න. මෙහෙම යන්න මෙහෙම. මෙහෙම යන්න මෙහෙම. Okay, Buddha. Okay, your one is okay. Right, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Right.
Okay, sir. Can you send the Fisher's block and everyone's block to the group, sir?
Okay, Buddha. Okay. Now I have to go
Okay,
for
sir. Then
another
I'm
class.
leaving. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, God bless you. We'll meet, right? Okay, Buddha. Revon, what happened?
OMG, the shark.
මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? අම්මා ෂාක් වෙනස් කළා සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම නේද?
අම්මා ඉවරයි.
එහෙමද?
දැක්ක ගමන්ම බය වුණා.
මොකද මේ හවුලුවේ හිටගෙන ඉන්නේ?
කවුද සර්? shark.
කෝ මවුස් එක ගෙනියන්න. හරි, මෙතන ක්ලික් කරන්නකෝ රෙවොන්. මෙතන ක්ලික් කරන්න. මෙතන මේ පෙන්නන එක පෙන්නන්නේ නැද්ද? මවුස් එකෙන් ක්ලික් කරන්න මෙතන. right, හරි. හරි good. Okay. දැන් ඕක පිළිවෙලට හදාගන්න. මට කෝඩ් එක පොඩක් පෙන්නන්න. රෙවොන් මෙතන ක්ලික් කරන්න. right, fish එක ක්ලික් කරන්න පොඩක් රෙවොන්. I mean 90 make හරි. Move 9 steps, edge bounce, set rotation, hurry, make them hide, hurry. Then right, 180 clone. Okay, hurry. අපි ඊළඟ සැරේ mouse මේ බටන් එකකට දෙමු. mouse button එකකට දෙමු. Right, good.
Thank you, sir.
God bless, Buddha.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, God bless you all.
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
God bless. I'll put all the things to the group. Huh?
Sir, did you see my profile picture?
Yes. What is that?
Don't touch my phone.
Okay.
God
Right.
bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Timisha, you are okay, right?
No, today I'm not doing.
Is that why?
මම ලග්නේ පරක් වෙලා ඉතින් මට ඒක කරන්න තේරුණේ.
All right. I'll send the video and the document. ඒ ටික බලලා ඉවර කරන්න ඕනේ ආ. දැන් මම document එක එවන්න.
මම භාගයක් කරගෙන යනකොට මේ මම
Scratch එක.
මාළු දාන්න
ඔව් මාළුව.
දාන්න බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එකක් දාන්න යද්දි එතකොට මේ මෝෂන් එකේ තියෙනව නැතුව යනවා.
motion එකේ ගිහිල්ලා ඒ කොහොමද?
එහෙනම් මම බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එකක් දැම්මොත් මෝෂන් එකට එනේම නැතුව යනවා.
මේ background එක දැම්මේ මෙතනින්ද? නැත්තම් මෙතනින්ද? background එක දාන්න ඕනේ මෙතනින්.
එතනින් තමයි දැම්මේ.
එතනින් දැම්මේ. ඊට පස්සේ එතන වෙන මුකුත්ම නැහැ නේද? background 2 කියලානේ තියෙන්නේ. නේද?
මම සර්ගෙම බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක දැම්මට පස්සේ
ඔව්.
මේ දැන් හරි. එතකොට අර කැට්ව ඩිලීට් කරොත් අර මෝෂන් එක යනවා.
කැට්ව ඩිලීට් කර. ඔව් කැට් එක ඩිලීට් කරනවා කැට්ව ඩිලීට් කරුවාම තව එකක් දාන්න. මේ ෆිෂ් එක දාන්න. ෆිෂ් එක දාපුවම එනවා එතන. කැට්ව ඩිලීට් කරලා හරිද? දැම්මද ෆිෂ් එක? කැට්ව ඩිලීට් කරලා ෆිෂ් එක දාපු ගමන් ඇනිමල්ස් කියන එකෙන් ෆිෂ් එක ගන්න. ගත්තු ගමන් එනවා බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක. Why it's taking time?
අවශ්‍ය.
ආව නේද? හරි. ඊට පස්සේ කෝඩ් එක දෙන්න ඕනේ ආ. මම දැන් කෝඩ් එක එවන්නම්. මේ කෝඩ් එක එවන්නම් ආ. Now I'll send, then you take it from the WhatsApp group and do the coding ah.
Okay, sir.
Okay Puta, for today we'll stop from there. God bless you.